In this video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your paper trading account in TradingView. This is useful when you want to start fresh or test a new strategy from scratch. Let's get started. First, go to tradingview.com and sign in to your account so your settings and trading history are available. Next, go to the Products tab at the top to find all of TradingView's features. Then, select Super Charts. This opens the advanced charting platform where paper trading is accessible. Make sure your account is set to paper trading. If not, click the trading panel below and select paper trading from the list. After that, click the gear icon on the paper trading panel and from the menu that appears, choose Reset Account. Finally, confirm the action by clicking Reset. Your paper trading account will now be refreshed with the default balance. And that's how you can reset your paper trading account in TradingView and start fresh. If this tutorial helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to How to Tutor for more trading tips. See you next time!